Hey everybody, Boone Wyatt with the 323 Concept Furniture Restoration here. Today I'm going to be doing a quick tool review and a product demo on the Soda Blaster gun. I found this on Amazon and it has worked great on certain projects. I use it when I get into detailed work on pieces of furniture, whether it be mainly when I get into trying to strip down spindles. This gun has come in really handy. Like I said, it says sandblaster on the side, but you can use soda blasting material, and it just has a little small reservoir on top. You just unscrew the lid. You can put your abrasive material in the top of the reservoir here. And from there you just hook it up to your compressor. You do need a pretty powerful compressor to power the gun, and then obviously you just pull the trigger and it comes out the nozzle and does all the work for you. So without further ado, let me get into showing you how this gun works. We just got a small little stool project, but this gun is going to turn this project of what may have been an hour or two of hand sanding into maybe just about 10 minutes. So without further ado, let's jump right in. And as always, don't forget your PPE. We got some goggles and a respirator. Even though it is baking soda, just want to protect yourself, okay? Alright everybody, that wraps it up for today. I hope you enjoyed the video. Just to give you an idea, as you saw when I was spraying it, it was coming right off. I didn't do anything to it before. No liquid stripper or anything like that. And in my opinion, I mean, just from feeling that, that's around 220 grit with it, which is amazing. You know, you don't want to use anything too abrasive like sand or, you know, baking soda is about as gentle as you can get on the wood, and like I said, it's around 180, but it's ready to just fine grit by hand if it's even necessary. But just be careful, always play every piece of furniture piece by piece, and you obviously don't want to damage the wood, so test it somewhere in a discreet spot, and if it's damaging it, don't use it on that. But in my opinion, on any piece I've done it on, it's worked great. The abrasive that I use, like I said, is baking soda. It's sold in 50-gallon, I'm sorry, not 50-gallon, 50-pound bags, and I get mine from Harbor Freight. Other than that, you know, the gun, I'll leave a link in the description of the video. Feel free to check it out. Other than that, thanks for watching. If you've got any questions or comments, feel free to let us know. As always, hit that like button if you like the video. That helps us out in the YouTube algorithm. And then don't forget to subscribe to our channel, hit that notification bell, and share if you enjoyed it, and think somebody else might enjoy it as well. Thanks, y'all. We'll see you next time.